Baby. Yeah.
Sabi mo eh.
Yes. Okay.
Di ba pinapanood ko yung The Voice? Oh, ang dami ka ba nagpipilipin, nagtatagalog?
Voice? D-O-I-S?
D-O-Y-S. The Voice?
D-O-Y-S.
Sa Amazon?
Yeah.
Tatanong ko ni Marco. Okay, okay. Hindi
You
naman
don't do that.
Hindi naman sa sila.
Dude, you don't do that.
Hmm?
Ate, show your white teeth. Naputi daw yung ngipin mo.
Oo nga, sabi ko, it's supposed to be white.